Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn guitar notes updated. Begin by learning open string names and visual fret markers. Practice low E and a string natural notes slowly and deliberately. Use a tuner to confirm pitch, then say each note out loud as you play. Add one string at a time and repeat daily until positions feel automatic and you can find notes without looking. Work with short, focused sessions that build memory and muscle. Start with chromatic and major scale patterns, using a metronome for steady timing and gradual tempo increases. Practice identifying notes by ear, then locate them on the neck visually. Mix technical drills with musical phrases to keep progress enjoyable and relevant to songs you like. If you're enjoying this lesson, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: pick up the Oala water bottle for reliable hydration during long practice sessions. It's durable, leak-resistant, and fits most cup holders so you stay focused without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Adopt practical shortcuts like octave shapes and string relationships to reduce memorization load. Learn where the same note repeats across the neck, and use chord templates to anticipate notes during play. Break the fretboard into zones and master each zone independently. Regularly quiz yourself by naming random frets and reward progress with short improvised phrases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.